today's toys video, I will share with you about these Flicky Chicken toys. So Flicky Chicken toys is a flying rubber chicken that is fun to play for either kids or even us. So later in this video, I will share with you on how to play with them as well as their benefits. So stay tuned. So how to play with these Flicky Chicken toys? Firstly, we pull out one finger and put in through the chicken head, like this one. And then use our other hand and use tripod finger, 1, 2, 3, to pull inward the chicken tail and direct it to the wall and flip it. Sometimes it bounces back or sometimes it sticks a little longer. So let's try again. One more time. Here you go. So next, I will share with you their benefits and a suitable age to play with these toys. So the suitable age to play with these Flicky Chicken toys is 3 years and above. So let's continue with their benefits. Firstly, it helps to develop children's fine motor skill. For example, they will use their tripod finger 1, 2, 3 to pull inward the chicken tail. So fine motor skill helps children with their daily living activities, for example, to button up their shirt or to tie their shoelace. So next one, it helps with their hand-eye coordination. For example, these toys needs children to use their hand and eye simultaneously to direct it to the wall. And lastly, it helps with children's sensory diet. So it helps with their sensory input. For example, this Flicky Chicken toys is a sticky rubber, so they can hold down like this one to help them to concentrate more and focus more. So that's all from me, and thank you for watching.